Welcome to Astrology. This is a reading for all ascendants of the water trine, which is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Astrology brings this analysis for you. Righty then, water trine. This is your reading for January 2023. And let us see what our first row is going to bring us. Crossroads, cross, and clouds. So that water trine, your dreams and aspirations bring you to the crossroads of choices, but secrets are being hidden by you or from you, and revelations of this will push you to the crossroads to choose. The central figure here is that it's going to be a cross to bear. But you see these two cards here, which is Six of Clubs and King of Clubs, tells me it's all about your work. It's all about your work where some burden or some secret is being hidden from you. It's about your job. It's about your business. It's not about your home, but you understand that you have to make choices, and this seems to be the theme for January 2023. I have gotten, this is crossroads, I believe the second time in my readings for the tarot for January 2023, so that it seems to be that choices and burdens and secrets are all happening in the new year for you, fire trine. And this is water trine also. I believe it came up in earth trine and air trine, so that your dreams are going to take you one way or the next, but they are secrets. Nothing is clear. It's going to be a little burdensome. It's going to be a little bit out of the way, out of the world, but you have to make it. But it's all about your job, your service to others, um, maybe a partner in a relationship that has a business with you, or some kind of work related issue in your past that is holding you back, or that is having you at a standstill of that crossroad where you have not yet made a decision. The present has the sun, the garden, and fish, all very good cards, because financial worries can be a thing of the past as the sun illuminates the outcome of your network and your public persona. And the card of capitalism, which is the fish, provides wealth and abundance for you, so that while you are at the crossroad and there are secrets being hidden, the present is not affected because it's all illuminating there for you. And the garden, socializing, mingling, appears to be the core function for you for this period in January 2023, water trine. And the third row brings the tower, anchor, and house. Again, these are cards that have been coming up in other readings throughout this month of January 2023, and that it tells you that the changes that the tower brings are out of your control, but the anchor stabilizes the decisions that you make with and about family and relationships, so that the anchor there is telling you that you're a bit isolated. You're in the tower, you're looking at everything rationally and with your mind, logically. But the cross that you have to bear is taken out from the tower here, tells you that you have that cross to bear. You are seeing that you have a cross to bear. But you don't want to isolate yourself from family. But the cards are telling you that your stable relationship comes from the secrets that are being hidden by you or from you, so that it might be good that you don't know everything. Some family secrets, some partnership secrets might be the better position for you. because it's giving you stability. You probably don't have to worry too much. There are no worries with those secrets coming through. It's a stable foundation. The house here, family relationship, tells you that there's a cross to bear too, but you are seeing it. You know what it's all about because you have this bird's eye view from the future that tells you what these relationships are about to do, whether it's about to break, whether it's about to stabilize, but it is all about stabilization here. But the central figure here is the garden card, which tells you that you have to mingle. You cannot isolate yourself because that is where you will not understand why secrets are being kept or why some secrets are best left a secret. You know, this is what the cards are telling you, water trine. Let us see if we can clarify it a bit with the celestial alignment. Nico Susanna is the goddess of agriculture and her element is water. And this card simply, it's a simple message from this card. Nobody can take from you what they did not give you. And that is where your stability comes from, water trine. Because no matter what you have, once you have worked for it and you have earned it, nobody can take from you. If it was given to you legitimately through hard work or rewards or inheritance, nobody can take it away from you. But that is your peace of mind in this instance. That is where the mingling and the networking came from. It gave you that stability because celestial alignment here is telling you nobody can take from you what it did not give you. And what is the Bhagavad Gita telling us? And again, tolerance. This is a card that came in another reading, and tolerance is all about telling you that things are transitory, things are non-permanent. You know, your perception and your sense of your five senses of sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing, when they come in contact with object, it's just a perception of time. You know, your perception of these things change with the season, because in the previous reading, you know, when you look for the water to cool you down in summer, you don't want that same waterfall on you when it's winter because it's a different feeling. So this is the non-permanent nature of the senses, and they change like the season, so that you know you experience happiness and distress through the senses, but they are not permanent. So if you feel that you can't do something, you can't mingle, you need to isolate yourself, then you may not feel so in the next 2 days or 2 weeks or 2 months. So you know it is, you have to practice to tolerate the good and the bad. And if mingling right now is not good for you, then you need to build up that tolerance level where you can do it, because it is going to help you. It is going to help you reward yourself, reward your family, reward those around you. It is going to bring stability to you. And in this center row, if we look at the center row, the cross that you have to bear, you know, is going to bring you that the mingling. It's going to bring you that networking. It's going to bring you that anchor, that stabilization. And that's what most people want in their life: a stable, happy, healthy environment in which they can thrive, in which they can grow, in which they can develop. So this is the reading for you, water trine. The cards are giving you the messages. I have analyzed them for you. It is now for you to soak it in, to understand more. If you have any questions, drop me a line, give me a hail out on my channel or on my blogs. January 2023 says a lot for you, water trine. Bhagwan's blessings to you from Zidam Astrology. He has allowed this video and the knowledge to be developed and imparted to you. I hope that you have learned something, as I always seek to share knowledge and transfer knowledge, because I feel research is there for us to occupy ourselves, our minds, our bodies, and then share. So thank you for listening, and I hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dream. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.